As a senior citizen, my travel gives me the opportunity to see new places, relax, and happily enjoy life. With comfort, safety, and convenience, special tours are designed to suit the elderly. These help in staying healthy, meeting new friends, and creating beautiful memories. I wish to share my joyful experience with you. Berlin Cathedral, Berlin's most beautiful monument. Berlin Cathedral, Berliner Dom, is one of the most iconic landmarks in Germany's capital, standing majestically on Museum Island. Completed in 1905 during the reign of Kaiser Wilhelm II, the cathedral was built as a grand Protestant counterpart to the great Catholic churches of Europe. Its impressive Baroque Revival architecture and massive dome make it one of Berlin's most photographed monuments. The cathedral's interior is equally breathtaking, featuring ornate carvings, richly decorated galleries, and magnificent stained glass windows. The high altar, designed by Friedrich August Stüler, and the elaborate mosaics in the dome add to the grandeur of the space. Visitors are often captivated by the cathedral's harmonious blend of artistic detail and spiritual atmosphere. One of the cathedral's most historically significant areas is the Hohenzollern crypt, which contains around 100 tombs and sarcophagi of Prussian royals. This crypt is one of the most important dynastic burial sites in Europe, offering insight into centuries of German royal history. Each monument reflects the artistic styles and cultural values of its time. The cathedral also provides a memorable experience for visitors who climb to the dome walkway. The ascent includes a series of stairs leading to an outdoor platform offering panoramic views of Berlin. From the top, visitors can see Museum Island, the River Spree, Alexanderplatz, and the city's evolving skyline, making it one of the best viewpoints in Berlin. Today, Berlin Cathedral serves as both a place of worship and a major cultural attraction. It hosts concerts, religious services, organ recitals, and various special events. As part of the UNESCO-listed Museum Island Ensemble, the cathedral continues to symbolize Berlin's rich architectural heritage, spiritual traditions, and enduring resilience through the city's turbulent history. I am glad to share this experience with you, and I hope it inspires you too. Our educational videos make learning simple and interesting. With useful lessons and good ideas, they help you grow every day. Thank you for watching. For more good videos, please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.